So, hi sir, good evening. I am Fabikin Magno. So, I'll be asking one of my family member to answer the 3 questions based on their knowledge and understanding. So, I chose my older brother to interview because he teaches Filipino subject.
Okay.
In your own knowledge and understanding, who is Jose Rizal?
In my own knowledge and understanding, Jose Rizal is the national hero of the Philippines because he fought back to the Spanish colonial government by the use of his mind, and also he fought back with peace and not using violence, and because he awakened the eyes of the Filipinos that we have to fight back with them because he is a national hero. In short, he is our national hero because he protect our country with the love of his country. He also used his mind by the use of his pen, his writings. Actually, na duha ka novel na siya gisulat, which is ang No Limit Tangere o El Filibusterismo. Mao na siya nga novel ang nag pa-realize sa mga Filipino citizens na dapat dili ta magpasakop.
Okay. So, question number 2. Why he was shot to death?
He was shot to death because mao lagi to ang Spanish colonizers government accuse him na moabot ang panahon nga threat na si Jose Rizal is a threat sa ilaha.
So, question number 3. Why he is our national hero?
Para sa taong giingon ganina, he is our national hero because he fought back to the Spanish colonizer. Again, ano to yung question?
Why he is our national hero?
He is our national hero because again he fought back with the Spanish colonizers by the use of his writings, his ideas, and by the love of his country, of this country which is ang Philippines. Gigamit niya yung writings which is katong No Limit Tangere o El Filibusterismo na mao ang nag-awaken sa mga mata sa Pilipino nga dapat musuporta sa ilaha, pero ang nakalahian lang kay Jose Rizal wala siya nagamit og dahas or violence.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for this interview.